Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got a nice unboxing for you here. This is the Spyderco Paramilitary 2 REC limited edition. This is an exclusive edition. Of course, you've got your nice leaflets. This is River's Edge cutlery, exclusive of course, REC, nice leaflet, classic Spyderco box right over here. And then you have this pretty unique knife in CTS 204P steel, nicely coated. It's a nice avocado looking knife. This is gonna be around $200, made in the US. It has a classic compression lock. It's gonna weigh in at 3.7 ounces, so the classic Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Overall length of this guy is gonna be 8.2 inches with a blade of 3.2 inches and a handle of 4.6 inches. Made in G10 with stainless steel liners, as a nice drop point blade. As we said, CTS 204P steel, really cool. Full flat grind, absolutely crazy slicer. The sound, it's the PM2 sound, sorry. That's it. Like that. Classic PM2 sound. You can literally recognize this guy from a mile away. In the pocket is gonna be 3.7 ounces, so nothing crazy. The clip is the classic, I think this is DLC coated, maybe it's just painted black, stainless steel, classic Spyderco pocket clip right over here. You've got the regular fit and finish, it's nicely put together, nice G10 scales. I like this color right over here. The grip is very good. They just have tiny hot spot right from this clip over here, but beautiful jimping going on up and down. Just that little hot spot over here, super smooth, of course. This is the compression lock right over there, and I mean, it's just a pure classic running on washers, super smooth and super fidgety. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.